everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been around here for a while, you know traveling is a big part of my life. And for the longest time, I have been watching drone shots thinking that one day I will too. And that one day is today because this is my first drone ever and I'm super excited and I really can't express in words how I feel. So let's get started and unbox this drone. After a lot of thinking and overthinking, I finally ordered this Neo 2 Fly More combo. I wanted something that was light, easy to carry, beginner friendly. And what I really liked about this drone was the flexibility. I can fly it with the controller, my phone, or even on its own. That means I can travel with the minimum gear and focus more on the experience of the place. Let's get the things out of this box and see what is in there and get a first impression. And here we go. So as we know, this was a Fly More combo. So on the top is an accessory box. So let's see what's in there. We have an RC-N3 controller. Okay, so this is the battery charger with the extra batteries. And then these are the extra propellers. This is the charging cable. And this is USB to USB lightning cable to connect your phone. You also have this information packet. Inside these are some stickers, the quick start guides, and this screwdriver. This screwdriver is for changing the propellers on the drone. Can you see it? Yes. And this is really very small. And this screwdriver is very important. It is also used to remove the transmitters out of the drone. So make sure you keep it safe. Okay, so let us now open this charging hub. It is easy to snap the battery in and out of the charging hub, and it will be charging one battery and then move to the next one. The charging is really fast because the batteries are not very large capacity batteries. So for now, I'm going to put this aside for charging so that we have enough flight time when we try a drone. And you have the RC-N3 controller, which you can connect to your phone. I think this is like this. You can connect it with your iPhone or with your other USB Type-C devices. Here are the controllers, which you can just fix here and get started. We will now take a look at the aircraft. And here it is, the star of the show. It is so much like what I pictured. Maybe because I've seen so many videos already while doing my research. It looks really nice. I like the color of it and it is so lightweight. I think it is just around 160 grams with the battery and the transmitter. It honestly does not feel intimidating at all. So let's get started with the bottom of the drone. It has got lower sensor and the optical sensor. It has also got the USB-C Type-C for charging and for transferring your data. By the way, this drone is 49 GB of internal storage, so you will be using this port a lot. There are propeller guards beneath these propellers, which are easy to remove. Okay, so the battery is on the top and it is easy to replace just by taking this out. One fully charged battery gives drone a flying time of around 17 minutes. So those extra batteries I think are must to have. Now let's get to the camera. We'll take off this cover first. And here it is. So this camera is 2-axis gimbal. So one is this and other one is this. And this provides a lot of stability to your footage. On one side of this camera, you have a little LCD screen that will display information about the flight mode and the related parameter, which I'll show you in a while. And this other side, we have some sensors. There are also side buttons beneath the camera. The red one here is to launch, while the other two are for cycling through the different modes. So this is the transmitter. It is screwed up and looks quite secure. You can fly your Neo 2 without these, but these transmitters provide a long range capability around 500 meters, which is huge. These antennas look very flexible. I hope you can see. I think they are designed to make sure that they withstand the crash.
Let's now fire up this aircraft. So before we do that, you have to download this DJI Fly app. Just click it. Make sure that your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth both are turned on. So now it's in there, and let's just keep it here, and you press it once to check the battery level, and then press and hold it, and here it is. So you see, so these are the different modes that are in there, and you can change it from here.
Selfie shot, Ronnie, circle, cycling follow.
We will experience all of these next week when we test our aircraft. I am super excited for the first flight, and honestly I'm a little nervous as well because I don't know what to expect. But the best part is that we are
Spotlight, 3,
doing this together.
1, unable to take off.
If you enjoyed this unboxing and want to see what happens when a complete beginner flies a drone for the first time, make sure you are subscribed, drop your beginner drone tips in the comment, and please wish me luck. See you next week.